guys, I'm back again for another informational vlog. Um, so this vlog is I will be answering the questions, or I will be informing you about the steps that I did to apply for Naric. Naric, by the way, is an agency or an organization here in Belgium that approves or checks or reviews your diplomas, or the diplomas of the foreigners that wants to have their diplomas from their country lands accepted here in Belgium, or have it registered to make it valid, so you can apply for any job, and then you can get you can get the sorry we're not English is not my first language, so yeah, I apologize sometimes. My mouth does not cooperate. You can get the benefits of being in Belgium and or working in Belgium if your diploma gets approved, or if they say it's valid, then yeah. So the first message that I get is from Christelle. She was asking about how I did for Naric. She sent me a message. She say, "Hi Maria, thank you sa reply." Thank you sa reply, because I replied to her. Inspiring mga contents mo. So Rose Lair yung partner ko na babae. So I'll translate it in English. What she sent is my contents were inspiring. She's living in Rose Lair. No. I think it's a wrong translation. What she's saying is her partner is from Rose Lair. She say we are planning. Thank you po. Okay lang po ba kung sa menunan lang ang papel ko? So what I understood is I never really know about Samenwanan, so I didn't get to answer about it. But what I just answered is my group kasi po na nag-help sa akin dito sa Belgium para maka-apply sa Naric. So here's what I knew of. So I'll just share what I have experienced. So what I first did is we just have myself registered. I think it was what I knew is it was just a group of people that works for the government still, but they're like an organization where they would help you if you want to have someone that like their member that's teaching Dutch. More often they would go to your house, something like that, to teach you Dutch. But for me, as of me, because I'm following Dutch school, I don't have to. And so the first thing they did is it fall again. The first thing they advised me is to get this document. The document, my diploma. It's like, wait, I'll check for the email. It was here. But I will also put the email of the person that helped me in the link below. I will put it under for you guys to know. So I didn't have the list of the documents, but what I remembered, what they asked me for. So what Naric would ask you is first, of course, your diploma. It's the original ones that they would be asking for. So also the diploma should be in a light source. Not taken. It's a picture taken in a light source, or it's like taken somewhere in the window, which they could see that it's really real. The material or the diploma paper was not just a piece of paper that was printed or whatever, but it's the real paper. It's like a linen. That's when you put it in the sun, it shines on it and it reflects the bottom part of it. That means that your diploma is genuine, it's authentic. And also second tool was I remembered the your what's this, your, how do you say this, but what I knew is it's transcript of records in our place in the Philippines. So that's what we call TOR. Transcript of records, it's like the assisting, or no, how do you say that? It's hard to say it in English. The additional papers, or that states what the like the digits that you finished and the subjects related to it. It states there the subject and how many units was it, and then there was C, and then there, and a third one, I think they also asked me it's like my COEs, certificate of employment, because I have had work experience from call centers. So they asked me those companies, all the companies that I have an experience with. I have it submitted to them too. And the certificate of employment, the fourth one, I think just the passport, or no, not my passport. What they used is my orange card, because I still don't have an ID. So it's just some other requirements. What I remembered. There's nothing anymore, I think. But that's one of the things that they ask for. And the most important thing is just it's just the picture of the diploma. And what I remembered is they would also ask you for, like, if you have any documents still left from your thesis. So for me, I didn't have it sent because I don't have papers already for it, but they still accept it, and they already sent me the result, and they said that it's approved in Belgium. My diploma is good in working here in Belgium, and I could apply for any companies that's related to what I graduated for. And for me, it's just really helpful, the organization, because what I thought is it's really hard for foreigners, especially like me, to get the chance, even get a little chance to have a good job, to apply for an easier job that's related to what I graduated for. So yeah, that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll put every details in the bottom so you would know what to do to apply and have your diplomas approved right here. But just also I follow up information. What's the person that processed about my papers told me is that it's okay. It's literally okay if your documents, if what you graduated for in the Philippines is like any other courses, that it can be just easily be approved, but and applied, something like that. But when it comes to medical courses that you have graduated in the Philippines, it's not possible. But what they could do is you still have to you still have to study or go to school for a year, and then from there you can start applying to have it approved or to have it registered in Belgium, so you can work as a nurse, as a doctor, or any medical field that you finished in the Philippines. Yeah, that's just what I knew of. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope I helped you. Have a good